Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix like your device is missing important security update on Windows 11. So how can you fix this issue? Now step 1 is just go to the settings in the search section, or you can just click on the Windows, and from here just open the option called settings. And once you're into the settings, so you'll be seeing this kind of interface. So just go to this section which is called Windows Updates, and once you're into the Windows Update, make sure to click on check for updates. And once you click on check for updates, so it will start checking for any kind of update which is missing or like which has been corrupted for some reasons, and it will check it and will let you know that if there is any, you can just download and install it. And after that, if there's no update, you can just click on this option, toggle this option on, get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Make sure to turn it on. And after that, what you can do is just click on the advanced options. And once you're into the advanced sections, so make sure to find the option called optional updates, which is like right here, optional updates. So make sure to click on this option, optional updates. And now as you can see, like there is an optional update. You can just uh, tick it or select it and click on download and install. And once downloaded and installed, like in your laptop or the PC, make sure to restart your machine. Like just go to this section and click here and select the option, either the restart or the restart, update and restart. You might be seeing that kind of option as well. So click on update and restart, and after that your machine will be restarted and hopefully your issue will be fixed. So that is all about how you can fix this.